Welcome to another video of Beers with Beards. Now today, I'm going to try Samuel Smith's Oatmeal Stout. But before we get started, and you end up liking this video, please be sure to like and subscribe to this channel. Thanks a lot. Greatly appreciated. Now this beer has a 5% rated alcohol and has an IBU rating of 32. Now, Samuel Smith's Oatmeal Stout is a beer that has garnered a loyal following among beer enthusiasts for its rich, creamy texture and complex flavor profile. Now, it's brewed by Samuel Smith, Old Brewery in Tadcaster, North Yorkshire, England. This stout is a prime example of the traditional British brewing style. Now the history and background of Samuel Smith's Old Brewery was established in 1758. It's one of the oldest breweries in the UK. Now the brewery itself is a fascinating blend of old and new, while it embraces modern brewing techniques. It also maintains many traditional practices. Now, I'll crack this open and we'll get a look at it. They have this beautiful wrapping, which I believe is a total waste. Nobody cares how pretty a bottle looks. They just want to get into the inside. It seems to be pretty dark. We'll make her create a large head. There it is. Now upon pouring Samuel Smith's Oatmeal Stout, the first thing you'll notice is a deep dark brown color, almost bordering black. The beer forms a thick creamy tan head that lingers on and on, leaving behind a beautiful lacing on the glass. Now with the aroma. I definitely get roasted malt, chocolate, and coffee. Coffee, yeah. With subtle hints of caramel. I guess I don't really smell oatmeal, but the flavor profile is malted sweetness. Now the first sip reveals a rich, creamy, malty backbone, that both sweet and slighter bitter. Now the bitterness and balance, despite the forward profile, Samuel Smith's Oatmeal Stout is well balanced with a modern bitterness that prevents it from becoming cloying. Now mouthfeel and finish. One of the standout features of Samuel Smith's Oatmeal Stout is its mouthfeel. The oatmeal contributes to a velvety cream, smoothie texture that coats the mouth without being overly heavy. Now when you pair with food, it's a versatile beer that pairs well with a variety of foods. Its rich, robust flavors make it an excellent match for hearty dishes such as beef stew, grilled sausages, shepherd's pie. Now the sweetness and chocolate tones also complement dishes like chocolate cake, brownies, or bread pudding. Now when comparing this to other stouts, in the world of stouts, there are many variations, from dry Irish stouts like Guinness to the sweet and decadent Russian Imperial stouts. Samuel Smith's Oatmeal Stout occupies a unique niche within the spectrum. Samuel Smith's Oatmeal Stout is widely accessible. While some craft beers can be difficult to find, Samuel Smith has a strong distribution network that ensures this stout is available in many markets around the world. This accessibility, combined with its consistent quality, makes it a go-to choice for stout lovers everywhere. Now, Samuel Smith's Oatmeal Stout is a standout beer that deserves a place in any stout lover's repertoire. Its rich, complex flavor profile, smooth mouthfeel, and perfect balance make it an exceptional example of the oatmeal stout style. Now, Samuel Smith Oatmeal Stout is a standout beer that deserves a place in any stout lover's repertoire. Its rich, complex flavor profile, smooth mouthfeel, and perfect balance make an exceptional example of the oatmeal stout style. Whether you're enjoying it on its own or pairing it with a hearty meal or dessert, this stout is sure to satisfy. Now, if you haven't tried oatmeal stout yet, it's time to pick up a bottle and experience it for yourself. Its consistent quality and widespread available make it an easy choice for anyone looking to explore the world of stouts. Cheers, cheers to a classic that continues to impress and delight beer enthusiasts around the world. Now, for those interested in delivering deeper into the world of Smith's beer, Samuel Smith's beer, there are several other options to explore. They have organic chocolate stout, which offers a more pronounced chocolate flavor, while the Samuel Smith Nut Brown Ale provides a lighter, nutty alternative. Each of these beers reflect the same commitment to quality and tradition that makes the Oatmeal Stout so special. Samuel Smith's Oatmeal Stout is a beer that embodies the best of traditional British brewing. So thanks for joining me today, and if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like and subscribe to this channel. And we'll see you next time. Cheers. Peace.